And a remote hearing today for the woman charged in Connecticut with Jennifer Dulos' disappearance and presumed murder. Michelle Troconis' defense saw one motion granted, another denied, as the question of a trial date was brought up. News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter with the story.
Michelle Troconis' defense team will get a copy of a sealed psychological report from the contentious divorce of Jennifer and Fotis Dulos. Today, Judge John Blawie ruled that since state police got a copy through a search warrant, there was no valid reason to keep it from attorney Jon Schoenhorn. But the decision came with a caveat. Schoenhorn cannot release the evaluation publicly, which was done in 2019 to determine custody of the 5 Dulos kids.
Those young, impressionable children are still very much on the court's mind in terms of what might be in their best interests.
It's been 2 years since Jennifer Dulos' presumed death. Police believe her estranged husband violently killed her, but they've never found her body. Fotis Dulos was charged with Jennifer's murder, but committed suicide soon after. Troconis was his girlfriend and arrested as an alleged co-conspirator.
Ms. Troconis now has been on that bracelet for exactly or just under 2 years, from June 3rd, 2019 to the present. At some point, as I note in my motion, it becomes the equivalent of punishment.
Schoenhorn today again argued for removal of his client's GPS ankle monitor, which Blawie denied as he did previously. The big question from everyone following this case is, when will it go to trial? Today, Judge Blawie said with jury trials not set to resume until next month and plenty of cases ahead of this one, he couldn't give attorneys a date as they'd requested. Likely, though, we are looking at 2022. Before then, the judge will rule on several other motions, including one he heard arguments on this morning. The state wants to keep Schoenhorn from including evidence with his filings. Previous ones released video clips of police interviews and security footage.
If the court allows counsel, either the state or the defendant, to put out evidence in motions that leak out to the media, I think we're going to have a real problem finding a jury.
In Stamford, Marissa Alter, News 12 Connecticut.